Earth's geologic timescale. The geologic time scale distinguishes Earth's history based on life forms that existed at certain times since the planet's formation. The majority of these life forms are discovered as fossils, which are the remains or evidence of an organism from the geologic past that have been preserved in silt or rock. Without fossils, geologists might not have established that the world has a past that predates humanity. The concept of a geologic time scale is that a period is a basic unit of geological time during which a specific kind of rock system is produced. When periods are compacted together according to their characteristics, this geologic division will comprise the so-called era. Some periods have their own subdivision. These geologic subdivisions are called epochs. When eras are grouped together, this will create the longest geologic subdivision called an eon. Precambrian eon. More than 85% of Earth's history falls under this supereon, from 4.6 billion years ago to 540 million years ago. Hadean Eon, 4.6 billion years ago. The solidification of the Earth's continental and oceanic crust. Archean Eon, 4 billion years ago. The evolution of Earth's first life forms. Proterozoic Eon, 2.5 billion years ago. The appearance of multicelled animals and the gathering of land masses to form continents. Phanerozoic Eon. Cenozoic era, 65 million years ago, now. This is the most recent among the eras of the Phanerozoic era. This era marks the age of mammals and the first human evolution. Mesozoic era, 245 million years ago. This era marks the beginning of dinosaurs, mammals, birds, and plants due to mass extinction. Paleozoic era, 544 million years ago. The explosion of diverse marine life and the largest mass extinction of marine organisms.